Hello, guys. So today I'll be talking on candlestick chart style. So basically, we have three different kinds of charting, like chart style. So we have the line charts, we have the bar charts, and we also have the candlestick charts. So I'm just gonna be explaining why we use chart as a technical analysis trader. You need charts. So charts are a widely used tool in trading and investing to quickly see the past performance of the stock or the assets you are trading at that point in time, the highs, the lows, the trends, the moving average, and much more. You get. So that is basically what chart does for us. It's the one that shows it's just like a footprint of money. You understand? That is what has happened in the past. So we check it on chart. We do it basically on chart, like we do our own analysis on chart as a technical analysis trader. So it is either you use any of these three charts. It's either you use a line chart or a bar chart or a candlestick chart. So basically, we are going to be using candlestick charts. And this candlestick chart is originated from Japanese, so it is called Japanese candlesticks. You get. So let's head straight to. Let me share my screen so I can show you some stuff. So I can show you what charts looks like. So let me just. I'm coming. I'm trying to do something. Mm, mm, very good. So this is what I want. So what do we mean by candlestick charts? So we have different kinds of charts. So you can change it here. You can see here. We have different kind of charts. You can also see some other charts in some other chart styles on these ones now. So we have the candlestick charts, we have the bar chart, and we also have the line chart. So this is the line chart. It is just represented just with a line. It's represented with the line. You can see how the line also move on those psychological level. You can see them. So that is how the line chart works. So we also have the bar chart. So you can see this is the bar chart now. This is how the bar chart works. The bar chart is just like the candlestick chart. So for 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 um for a bearish candle, so basically we have two different kind of candle. We have the bearish and the bullish candle. Understand? We have the bearish and the bullish candle. So this is the opening of the bearish candle. This line at the left side, this line that moves to the left side is the opening of this bearish candle. So what this long line at the top here? Let me zoom in very so you can see it. So what this line at this top here is saying is that okay, within this time frame, because we're on 1 hour time frame, each of these bar candle now, each of these bar represent 1 hour. That is this 1 hour, this 1 hour, this 1 hour, this 1 hour, and each of them represent 1 hour. Understand? So this is the opening of this bar chart, which is a bearish candle. This is the opening, and this is the closing point at this right hand here. So for a bearish one, this is the opening, this is the closing. You get. So that's just how it works. So let's head straight without wasting much of our time, since we are focusing on the candlestick chart. So let's go to candlestick charts. So before I move on, let me share want to share my screen. I want to share with you some things before. So I believe I should just do it this way. Okay, let me share my entire screen for now. Let me share my entire screen so you can see. I just want to have some pictures here. So this is how candlestick basically work. You can see now we have bullish and we have bearish candle. So what is the we need to understand some things when we talk about candlesticks. You understand? We need to know the opens, the close, the high, the low. So what is the open? The open is the point at which that candle opens up, and the closing point is just as close just simply means is where the candle simply close. So within a time frame, the sellers push the market to the downside, so it forms a wick. So during that 1 hour time, like, when we are talking about 1 hour time frame, during that 1 hour time, the sellers push the market down to this point here. So this is the lowest point that the market ever get to. That is why we call it the low. Don't forget, this is the opening price. So sellers push the market. Don't forget, the market is a fluctuating market. It is not a static market. It is always moving. So the sellers push the market to the downside. So when we are talking about trading, trading is a fight between the sellers and the buyers. You understand? So whoever win the fight is it is how the candlestick print you get. So whoever wins the fight makes a trend. Don't forget, a candlestick, a combination of candlesticks make a trend. Combination of candlesticks makes a trend. So now this is the opening price, this is the low. This is the lowest point that the market ever get to on this. When I'm talking about 1 hour for a single candle, now when I'm talking about 1 hour, but I'm also talking about 15 minutes. That is one candle on that 15 minutes time frame represents 15 minutes. That is what that simply means. So the buyers push the price to this point here, which is the highest point the price ever gets to. So the sellers also are fight to push to push the price backward a little bit. So that is why we have our so during that 1 hour time, 1 hour time, the candle closes at that point. You get, so this is where the 1 hour lasts. You get, so this is what we call weak rejection. We can also call it weak rejection. This is wicks. This rope at the top here is what we call wicks. 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 We call it wicks. So now that is for a bullish candle. Don't forget, we have two different kind of candle. We have the bullish and the bearish. It is not represented by the color. I'm still going to explain that. But let's use in this aspect, let's use color to also differentiate, because color is also part of it. You get, so you can, there is basically red or green candle. I mean, let's just use it as like that, like for now. So you already know your own. Normally, the trading view or any other platform will give you two different color, which is gonna be red and blue, or red or green. You get, so what that basically does is that they are trying to identify between the bullish and the bearish candle for you. Understand? The bearish candle is always red, while the bullish candle is always green or blue. Understand? Based on your own color preference. Understand? So now, when we're talking about the bearish candle, the open is always at the upside. Don't forget, this is the two different. This is the different thing now. It's a different class now, because I'm going to be cutting this class short, because we can't explore all the candlesticks finish, because we have different kinds of candlestick formation. I will be showing you some, and I will be listing out some. You get, so this is the low. Okay, this is the let's start from the open. So this is the open. This is where price open. This is where price open for a bearish candle. Don't forget, a bearish market is the market that is coming to the downside. So the open is going to be at the top, at the upside. Don't forget. So the market opens at this point. Then the buyers push the price to this point. That is, this is the highest point the market ever get to within 1 hour time frame. We're not talking about 1 hour. If you're talking about 15 minutes time frame too, that is the highest point that market ever get to. If you're talking about 5 minutes time frame, that is the highest point market ever get to within 15 minutes, or within 5 minutes, or within 15 minutes, or within 1 hour. So this is the open, this is the high. So this is the body of the candle. This is the body of the candle. In order to understand what the candle is saying, the candle, I mean the body of the candle, the wicks are very important when you are when you want to analyze a candlestick chart. Understand? The wicks and the body of the candle is very important. The shape of the body of the candle simply defines what is going to happen. You get? So at some point, I'm going to be explaining just like I'm going to be doing it like a single. I'm going to be explaining all these charts, all these candlestick patterns, all these candlestick patterns. So let's finish this first. So this is the closing point. That is, this is where the time eats you out. You understand? And this is the lowest point market ever get to. That is, the sellers push the price up onto this level, then the buyers push it back to this level. That no, 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 no. Yeah, I don't want the market to close at that point. They push it back. Don't forget, in trading, it is a fight between the bullish and the bearish. So whoever wins the market prints a candle. That is, if it's the bullish that wants the battle, the candle is gonna print bullish. You get? So we have what we call wicks. Don't forget wicks and the body of the candle. Take note, wicks and the body of the candle. And don't forget, when we're talking about bullish, it opens from the downside and closes at the upside. When we're talking about the bearish candle, it opens at the upside and closes at the downside. So that is that on candlesticks. So I'm going to be explaining more. So we have different kind of candlestick. When I'm talking about candlestick, you can see we have different kind of candlestick pattern. You can see candlestick chart pattern. These are charts for crypto. This is not for crypto market alone, for forex market as well. One funny thing about trading is that once you already understand forex trading, you can analyze any other market. Understand? So as you've seen here, this is bullish and this is bearish candlesticks. You can see this is bullish and this is bearish candlesticks, and this is neutral candlesticks. So now you can see armor, we have inverted armor, we have three bullish lines, we have bullish engulfing, we have tweezers bottom, we have rising three method, we have morning star, we have three star in south, we have bullish mat, we also have arami candle, we have a lot of candlestick types. You understand? You have candlestick bible where you're going to be checking how these candlesticks works. You understand? I can't explain everything on video. You get? So I'm going to be sending some materials alongside with this video. So if once you finish watching this video, I'm going to just DM me for the PDF about the candlestick Bible. Just type candlestick Bible. I will understand that you've watched this video. So this is a reversal candle. We have when we're talking about the candlestick formation, we also have reversal and continuation. What does that mean? Like when we're talking about continuation now, that is the market is like the market is moving in a bullish market, like it is going to the upside. Then it forms like a reversal candle. Then the confirm the continuation of from that the test. When we're talking about the test, it means that the market make like a bounce. It came back to maybe the point where it started. So the continuation of that candle is the continuation of that chart is when you see all these kinds of continuation patterns. I'm going to be explaining, I'm going to be giving you the Bible in the future, so you're going to understand better. This is just like a basic class for candlesticks. You can't explain all candlesticks in a video. You get, so because we have different kind of candlesticks. So for bearish, we also have the hanging man instead of hammer. We have the hanging man, we have the shooting star, we have the bearish three line strike, we have the bearish engulfing candle, just as the name implies, engulfing candle. That is one candle is engulfing against the other one. You understand? This is a bullish candle, this is a bearish candle. That is, this bearish candle is engulfing against the second one. And also see bullish engulfing candle. It is engulfing against the other one. So tweezers bottom, we have tweezers bottom here, we have tweezers top here. That is, look at the top side here. It is parallel, you get. So it simply means something in the market, you get. So falling three method, you also have the evening star. You can see a doji in between. So okay, let me get to neutral. So I'm going to explain doji. So advanced block, I also see bearish mat hold. We have a lot of candlesticks in the financial market, you get. So let's head straight, but let's head straight to our this thing. So I want to like I want to share my screen. I want to share my trading view. So you can see now, you can see that these candles, they are like they are different shapes. So this is the body of the candle. This is the wick. Don't forget. For a bearish candle now, I can decide. I can decide to change my color to anything I want. What matters is that you that are changing the candle, you must understand that the color you are changing it to, like, you must understand the color you are changing it to. You get. So if you are changing your red to black, you should know that your black candle, anything that has to do with black candle in your chart, is talking about bearish. If you are changing your green to pink, you should know that your pink candle is a bullish candle for you. You understand? So it is based on how you understand the candles. So that is what simply candlesticks is. So I want to explain the doji candlesticks. I want to explain the doji candlesticks. um the doji candlestick, we have different kind of doji. We have the dragonfly, we have the gravestone doji, and so on and so forth. You get. We have different kind of candlesticks. They're like different kind of candlestick pattern. We have the gravestone doji. We have, so just like this is a doji candle now. This is a doji candle. You can see it's giving like nothing, just like where it opens and slightly closes at that point again. Understand? The market push up and down between that 1 hour time frame there. It closes where close to where it opens. You understand? So that is what a doji candle is talking about. This is just like a neutral candle. It is telling you it is either a it is either a reversal candle or a continuation candle. You get. So it is either of the two. So in when we get to how to use your candlesticks, I'm just using this medium to explain what candlestick is. Understand? Like candlestick patterns. So when we get to some other topic about maybe chart pattern, I'm going to be explaining better. This is a very good doji again. You can see this is a very good doji. This still has a small body, a smaller body. But look at this. It's just like a line. That is where the market exactly closes. This point here. I'm talking about this. So let me circle it out. So I'm talking about this. I'm talking about this one. You can see. I'm talking about this candle. It is also a candle, but it's a doji candle. It's a doji candle. You can see it's a doji candle. So that's how doji candle works. That's how doji candle works. You can see where it closes is also the same point where it opens. You understand? So the opening point is also the same as the closing point. So we have a neutral candle. This is a neutral candle. It is not saying anything. It is showing indecision in the market. It is showing indecision in the market. You can see at some point the sellers, they push the market to the downside, and at some point the buyers, they also push the market to the upside. Then within this 1 hour time frame, the market closes with a neutral level. It's closed as a neutral level. You understand? So it can serve as a reversal candle, and it can also serve as a continuation candle. So that will be that on candlestick. Let me call it anatomy of candlestick. This is just like anatomy of candlestick, like the formation of candlestick, how candlestick works. So I'm going to be sending a PDF, or let me say like a book alongside with this video. So once you just finish this video, just comment or DM me with Candlestick Bible. I will know that you watched this video to the end. So just send me Candlestick Bible. Then you are going to I'm going to give you the book. Then you understand how candlestick work. You are going to read more because trading is not easy. Don't forget, but it is simple. Just follow the simple process and you are good to go. So that is just it. That's it. So let me end this video now. That's just that. That's just what we are going to be doing for today. So I'm going to end this video now. Thank you very much.